Hi everyone, this is Lizzie Freeman, your module leader for work placement, and it's a beautiful day here in Holmfirth where I live, just near the Peak District. It's beautiful blue skies, and it's like a little winter wonderland. So I really hope it's nice weather where you are, and I hope this is a positive start to the day of your very first day on placement or project. I know it's been a bit of a bumpy ride to this point, but I just think for all of you who stayed on to the module and stuck with the placement, I think it's going to really pay off. It's going to be a fantastic experience. You're going to learn a lot. Particularly, you're going to learn skills in remote working that are going to stand you in very, very good stead for future employment. Because as we know, things are changing, and I think a lot of jobs in the future will be either fully remote or a hybrid. So, the reason why I'm doing this video for you guys is just to say a big, 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 big good luck. And I hope your first day goes well, and particularly your first week. It'll take a little while for you guys to settle in and get to know people, but just allow that to happen. Remember to be active, not passive. So communicate really well with your supervisor. Tell them what you need, what you want, what you understand, what you don't understand, and that will take you to good positive places. Okay, so yeah, just wanted to say a quick hello and a big, big good luck for this first week, and I'll be in touch soon again. Okay, take care, guys. Enjoy.